How to make Fantasy Premier League draft. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Fantasy Premier League. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Well, the draft leagues are separated from the classical FPL format. Look for the draft option in the main menu or under the league section. Once you have found the option, head over to the draft section. It will be landing you in this page. Over here, you have to select Create a League or Start a Draft League. Enter the league name, invite friends by entering their email addresses or username, and then set any additional league rules. After that, you have to go to the draft section, search for existing league by name or invitation code. Join the league by accepting an invitation or entering the code. Once the draft starts, select players from the available pool. Each player can only be selected once per league. After the draft, manage your team by making transfers, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can make Fantasy Premier League draft. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.